Around 200,000 years ago, modern humans, known as Homo sapiens, evolved in Africa. For tens of thousands of years, they remained there. But between 125,000 and 45,000 years ago, different groups began leaving the continent and expanding into new territories. One of the most remarkable achievements in human history was the migration to Australia. Between 60,000 and 45,000 years ago, Homo sapiens traveled along the southern coast of Asia, eventually reaching Southeast Asia and Australia. This journey was an extraordinary accomplishment, comparable in significance to the colonization of the Americas, or even the Apollo 11 mission to the moon. As humans spread across Eurasia, they encountered other human species. In Europe, they met the Neanderthals, who had lived there for approximately 250,000 years and were well adapted to the environment. In Central Asia, another group known as the Denisovans inhabited parts of present-day Russia. Scientists have also discovered remains of another possible human species, Homo floresiensis, on the Indonesian island of Flores. These individuals were small in stature and had relatively small brains. Although some researchers argue they may have been modern humans affected by disease, the debate continues. Over time, Homo sapiens became the only surviving human species. Evidence suggests that modern humans did not simply replace Neanderthals and Denisovans. In fact, DNA analysis shows that these groups interbred, leaving traces of Neanderthal and Denisovan ancestry in many people today. Researchers believe that the success of Homo sapiens was largely due to their exceptional ability to adapt. They developed new tools, made efficient use of resources such as bones and antlers, and created extensive social networks that allowed different groups to cooperate and share resources over long distances. These social connections may have been especially important during periods of climate change and environmental uncertainty. By working together, humans increased their chances of survival and were able to explore and settle new regions of the world. Eventually, Homo sapiens crossed into the Americas from Asia through a land bridge known as Beringia, which emerged when sea levels dropped during the last ice age. Although the exact timing remains debated, this migration marked the final stage in humanity's spread across the globe. Today, Homo sapiens is the only surviving human species and the only truly global mammal, a testament to our adaptability, creativity, and capacity for cooperation.